Good morning, it's Fran and this is Fran Toku Demo, and today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Z's DX Booster Capsem. And here it is with no package because this is a campaign only item. So with no further ado, let the mission begin. You can see it's a clear glittered white and inside is doing the flash thing with various colored lightning. This capsule serves as the accelerator for the Zeroider, which is Zero's bike form, as he allows it for Agent 7 to use it against Nox, but it's used as a sample to the Shadow Nightmare. So let's bring back again Z's driver and let's go. Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into Booster Plasma, which is the enhanced version of Inazuma Plasma. In other words, an upgrade of an upgrade. In this form, Zets can even go faster thanks for the boosters on his arms and legs. And those parts are really look familiar. And now let's do the finisher. Okay, so that's the booster Banish, which is a boosted lightning kick. So now the second one. Okay, so that probably is the strongest version of that kick. Let's bring back again Inazuma Blaster and let's go. Then and with the Great Sword mode. And lastly, let's do the scan. And that's it for the DX Booster Capsem. So thanks for watching and until the next demo, ciao.